Just a quick video of my 1,050 square foot deck, which has cedar boards on it. I've been living here 21 years and I've been changing boards every year. They just don't last. I stopped staining it, as you could see, about 5 or 6 years ago because I anticipated getting the Trex Select put down, which is going to be happening in about a week or two. I can't wait. It's long overdue. It's going to be low to no maintenance, and I'm looking forward to it. And okay, it's time for the finished product. Very happy. Took about 2 weeks. My contractor suggested moving the stairs against the house. There was about 1.5 feet, so it kind of gives you more deck. Got the concrete here. We took away this little section here that stuck out because it was bending down a little bit, bowing down. Anyway, absolutely love the Trex Select and the railing. Forgot the name of it. It's not Trex. Maybe I'll put it in the description. But what a beautiful job. From Cedar to Trex Select, and no more changing pieces every year because I think the maintenance is just cleaning it. And if you're in New York, in the Orange, Ulster, and Sullivan County areas, you could check out my contractor. I'll leave his card at the end of this video. Great work, great price. Absolutely love it.